Hi friends, this is Rakesh from Let's Make Learning Simple channel. Now we are going to see about our array list. So basically, what is an array list? Array list is a class that implements list interface. So this is the array list. So this array list is an inbuilt library that was provided by Java. So array list implements list. So basically, here angular brackets inside that there's a alphabet. It implies that array list is a generic class. Basically, generic class, whatever the data type that you sent in the generic class, then it will act as that data type object. Example here, array list string. So what it does is the books will treat as a array list of string object. So if you send integer, it would be treated as array list of integer object. If you send a float, means array list of float object. So now we'll see how array list methods are used. So first, initially what we are trying to do is book.size. Initially there are no data present in the book, so book size will return 0. And then what we have done is we have added C++, Java. Suppose if in this statement we have added C, so C would be at present at 0th position, and then we have added C++. So C would be present at 0th position, C++ would be present at first position, and then we have added Java. C 0th position, C++ first position, Java second position. So what the add method implies is, so whenever we add an element without any index, so it will add at the end of the list. So here 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 2, and then we are trying to print the size. Initially book size would be 0, now it would be 3. So if we run this thing, you would see 0, 3, C++, Java. And then what we are trying to do is we are trying to add a Python at index position 1. So initially this would be the case, C at 0th position, C++ at first position, Java at second position. Here we are trying to add Python at first position. So there won't be any change for C position. So C would be present at the 0th position, Python would be added at first position. So C++ would be moved from first to second, Java would be moved from second to third. So this is the new list. So now if you run this thing, you would see that C, Python, C++, Java. And then what we have done is we are trying to remove the C object or C data from books. So this is the existing C at 0, Python at first, and C++ second, and Java 3. So if we remove C, means the C would be removed from the 0th index. So Python would be moved from first to 0th index, C++ from second to first, Java from third to second. So this would be the result of that list. So if we run this thing now, we would see that Python, C++, Java. So this is a basic example how array list can be used in Java. We will talk about more about linked list and the related contents in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. Now here you would see the channel icon. Please click on that for subscribing the channel.